Scumbag. That man sounds like royalty. Are you royalty? Bullshit from now on your private snowball. Do you like that name? Do you suck dick?
What?
Are you a Peter Pepper?
Hey, Glenn, can you make out what he's saying?
Bullshit, I bet you could suck a golf ball through a garden hose.
Bullshit, I bet you could suck a golf ball through a garden hose.
The funny thing is that he can actually do that in real life. I feel sorry.
I think it's that you were just staring at yourself.
He eats golf balls so he can get these women pooping them out of his butthole.
What is your problem?
I don't have a problem. Do you have a problem?
Nope. Is your problem?
I admire your honesty.
I admire your honesty.
Do you think I'm cute? Do you think I'm funny?
Yeah.
Oh, shit! I need to be invited back.